Welcome back everyone. So in this video we'll see that why strings are immutable. Immutable means that a string, once we have created a string, we cannot change a string. We cannot make any changes in that particular string. We'll have to make another string if we want to make a change. We'll see how. So let's get started with the video, right? I have created a variable here named pfs, which contains a string Python from scratch. This is in a title form, except that this f is not in capital. This f is small. Okay, so just let's take a few example here. Let's say I want to convert it into title. It will give me the required output. What I want to do is, sorry, I haven't executed the first cell. I have now executed. Now I'll do this. But if I want to print, if I want to go and and print it again, my variable pfs, it will not change that small f to capital F, right? Because this title method is giving us the output for only that particular period of time. It is not change, it is not making changes in the original variable. Similarly, if we want to go for let's say I want to see the position of pfs, that let's say I want to find the position of this small f, right? So it will give me that this small f is at the 7th index of pfs. So if I want to cross verify it, if I want to cross verify by indexing, let's say I want to go for indexing pfs square bracket and I see what is there at the 7th index, it will show me that small f is there, correct, right? Now what I want to do is I want to replace this small f with a capital F. So what I can go for is, let's say this pfs is small f. So what I can do, pfs 7, I want to make it a capital F. I can assign this. I can assign this. Okay, there is not a problem in assigning like this. So what I'm trying to do here is that I'm saying Python to convert the 7th index of pfs to a capital F, which is originally a small f. So let's see what we get the result here. It will give me an error because it says that a string object does not support item assignment. So we cannot make any changes in that string. But what we can do is we can again go for pfs dot replace method, and we want to replace small f with the capital F. So this will again give me the required output, but again it is not changing the original variable pfs. So what needs to be done if we want to create a if we want to change the string, and where this f is in the caps lock, what we can do is we can just create another variable, that is variable, let's say variable equals to, and you can do it like that. And now if you print this variable var, you have got a new variable which contains the right string with the capital F. Okay, so this is what I wanted to tell you all about this immutability of strings in this video. And just take few another examples by your own self. Just try to play with the code. You'll it will be more fun, and it will be easily more easily understandable to you. So this is all about this video, and I'll see you in the next video. Thank you for joining here.